To fix Rebtel verification failed issues, follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand that Rebtel is a popular international calling service that requires verification to ensure secure and reliable connections. When verification fails, it can be due to several reasons, including incorrect phone number entry, poor internet connection, or issues with the Rebtel app itself. Start by checking your phone number and ensuring it is correct and properly formatted. Make sure to include the country code and area code if required. Next, verify your internet connection, as a stable and strong connection is necessary for successful verification. If the issue persists, try restarting the Rebtel app or reinstalling it altogether. This can often resolve any technical glitches that may be causing the verification failure. Additionally, check for any updates to the Rebtel app and install the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Another potential solution is to try verifying your account through the Rebtel website instead of the app. This can help identify if the issue is app-specific or account-related. If you are still experiencing issues, contact Rebtel customer support for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance and help resolve any account-related problems. To prevent future verification issues, make sure to keep your Rebtel app up to date, use a stable internet connection, and double-check your phone number entry. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly resolve Rebtel verification failed issues and enjoy reliable and secure international calling services. Remember to always prioritize account security and follow the recommended troubleshooting steps to minimize downtime and ensure seamless communication.